Well, if him no want to send me the request, no problem. Right? But you see what I come here so for talk about? I'm going to talk about Anna. And Anna can send me a request also. Right? You see the end of the day, people are going to say I bash my daughter, guys. And I tell you this, I'm not going to watch the comment section just say a little while. Because I know say the comment section, it always distract you. I don't want to pre what Uno say, I pre what me say. You see when I see Anna there on the live, and Anna tell Odain, you understand me? I say, me put her out with a box. Me put out my daughter, right? And I put out her clothes them in her box. And Odain, there on the live, and Odain said yes, right? Let me tell you something. You see to Odain love Anna, Odain would have do anything for Anna. You understand me? If Anna tell Odain for jump, Odain will jump. The only question Odain I go ask is, how high? Odain love Anna. Enough for you to understand that. Them they from them are fifth arm from she is 16 years old. Right? From she is 16 years old. The both of them they together. You get me? You see when she run away when she is 16. When she come back home when she is 19. You understand what I say? You see when me go for my daughter when she run away when she is 16, my daughter nearly make her own man fight me. You understand what I say? Until be a lie upon me. You see when the boy family carry her back come to my yard because the family know me. Remember, so we live in a one community. Right? The little girl fling herself on the ground and say, no, she go lick me. She go lick me. And me for depend, Anna, why you going so far? Why you do that? So she give the people them the impression, say me a beat her and me abuse her. Right? So when the people them carry her come back and me do away, and me go for her for wall and pan her because me no want she run away again. She took off of the hill. See the hill, yeah? See the hill, yeah? Be a stone. Let me hold the phone. Be a stone. Zoe carry something come. She took off of the hill again and run. And me have to run back her. You can imagine me running at this a stone wall. I have to catch her. And she run away. Me never see her back until she's 19 years old. All along Odain have her. I take care of her. Buy clothes, give her, feed her. They run away and hide and go rent place. You understand? And I go tell people say, me put on box. Me put her clothes out the door in a box. When me put her clothes them out the door, me carry her clothes them right got the boy yard. Me carry the clothes got Odain yard. And me put them down with tears in my yard. Because me can't believe say she turn people against me and tell people say me beat her and abuse her and a bag of things when me do to her. You understand? Me talk the story over. Me no business when nobody no want believe me. Me talk the story over again. Because that's something what me remember as a mother and what happened. Right? The first time Anna run away. You, Anna, when you run away, one time she has 16, me lick her. Because me hear say the boy was she had there with same Odain didn't lick her down at Ochi, right beside Burger King. Me hear say Odain lick her head in the Digicel wall, in the Digicel glass. And when me hear about it, me did their carnival. At Ochi right at park. And when somebody run come tell me, say, you know say one boy slam your daughter head in the Digicel glass. Right at Burger King, me run with the pitney them back at me. I think if they did in a Burger King, I get a burger and me down at the park. And me run go up there. When me go up there now. When me go up there, she gone already. When me come up a yard here, so me can see two of them argue. Right here, so them argue. Right here, so then they argue. And me come bucket two of them. And me grab her because she is 16. And me carry her going in my house. And me give him some rotted lick. Me bust up some lick underneath him. Because when me ask her a question, if a boy a beat her, if a boy put his hand on her, she said, no, mommy, no, I saw a ramp. I saw a ramp. Right?
Anyway, going to run a match?
No, not yet, baby. Not yet.
All right, cool.
We connect back.
Yeah, man.
Right? Disconnect it for me, baby. Yeah. So when time me lick her now, guys, she gone her bed. Right? And me think so she gone her bed. Them time them on her bunk bed. You understand me? She sleep downstairs and her sister them they upstairs. No, her brother upstairs and the girls them sleep downstairs. Right? Zoe! Me let them dry. She used to sleep downstairs with the girls, them boy them sleep upstairs. The girl take 4 o'clock a morning and run way out of my house. You pitney where you wake up to when you go bathroom for go pee-pee. When I wake up and look, the back door open and my daughter run away. That was the first time Anna run away with Odain. So me no want to no come tell no lie upon me. I'm tired that una tell be a lie upon me. Una no talk nothing good out of una mouth about me. You understand me? Where they? Hold on them, me pep up your lip them.
May I go home, okay?
Yeah. You talk, a lady did the same, yeah?
Yeah, they said they want to call. Pray for them to see when they can come. The man, they want to call about them.
When they can come back.
And see if they can come back now.
Alright.
You can put on it.
Thanks.
So they call me and update me.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Now, let me tell you something. I love my daughter, but sometimes you can't love a pitney where you know them have them ways. Anna, I know you play mind games. You play a mind game, you understand what I say, and the same mind game where Anna play, I eat carrier come right here, so. You understand me? The mind game where you play, I eat carrier come right here, so. Because you know who you get pregnant for. In the first place, when a woman lie down with a man, them know who breed them. You can't tell me nothing. So the end of the day, she know who got her pregnant. You understand what I say? And a long time, the two of them are try to get a youth together. Long time, them a young couple come up from 16 years old until they reach this age. A long time, the boy want give her a baby. You understand what I say, people? Right? So the end of the day now, Anna play her mind games and end up in a diss trap. Right? You see the baby, the both of them for just concentrate on the baby and make them stop drag the baby name on the internet. You understand what I say? Red ants knowing themselves say I'm a fiend baby. You understand what I say? Red ants just a see control. Right? The end of the day, you know say I no feel pitney. When you see say the pitney born and come out of the womb, pitney come out of the tun. And you look as a man and you see I know your pitney. Leave the woman alone, make the woman go deal with her thing and do what you have to do. You understand what I say? Right? And you see me blame Odain. Because Odain know from day one when Anna did pregnant. Odain carry Anna go to the doctor. Odain make Anna use his head pan him. You understand me? And give the baby to a next man. Me could have come out here contact things, you know, but people are going to say, Annie this and Annie that. Me run with it because I feel your business and not my business. You understand what I say? Right? You know as a man audience, you feel your pitney. And you allow a woman to carry your pitney go pass off to a next man. Eh? Brother, you're weak to Anna. You is a weak man to Anna. Me tell her that in front of your face. And when you see say the baby are grown now, and you look and you see your pitney and you see your dead face, panda pitney that you feel away, you decide to come out now. You feel away now to come out, knowing that from beginning, you know say you breed the woman. Brother, you're too weak. You're too weak. You understand? Right? And guys, let me tell you this. I never did know. I never did know because remember, you know, I now walk with Anna Pum Pum on my forehead, you know. Remember, you know, I now walk with Anna Pum Pum. Right? Me not gonna know certain things, me I go just ask questions. You understand me, right? I ask questions, right? And at first, me did feel say Odain baby, and me ask Odain. And Odain look at me and tell me lie. In front of me face, that boy tell me lie. You understand what me I say? That's why I say it's not a real G, brother. You better grow up. You need to grow up. If you can make a woman control you and play mind games for you them type of way, brother, you're not ready yet. You're not ready yet, brother. Right? No, guys, me ask Anna the question. Me say, Anna, who for baby? But me realize say Anna play a game. Me if you remember upon my YouTube video then when me I tell you say, me say well Anna they do certain things I wanna say why me come out and I say certain things as a mother. It's because me see say Anna use mind game upon people and the same mind game that can get her hurt. You can't use the head upon man and man see what you do and hurt you. You get me? And when me come out and me talk and I tell her say, look here, me not like what you do, she disrespect me. Right? Because yes, in February, Odain and Anna day. In a February, Odain and Anna day, and I can confirm that because me and Anna and Odain and Lando go a party together. Valentine's night. The whole of February, Odain day in my house. You understand me? Till early March, me know say March indeed still a take time come up on me yard. You understand what me I say? So in the midst now where Anna did not do now, Anna did not try to hide the two nigga them like, yeah, play games. Right? And it wasn't for me if I say it's become right now, I want my grandson there on him father, and I want to stop call up the baby name pan DNA, and I want the baby go to him right, daddy. I want the baby go to him father. Redans can't take care of that, the pitney there. Redans go tell him, say, if you tell girl, say, up underneath them stink. Suck your mother, big old girl. Redans can't teach your son nothing. You see him son where he come protect you. You understand me? Him now go get to protect you because Redans are going to mess with him brains, him mentality. He now going to know how to treat a woman good. Look, a girl, look into yourself. I feel so you fall in love with this brown kin boy. I don't know if him wine good. I don't know if him stab good. I don't know if him joke good. I don't know why him do good. But I feel like say you just head over heels with this man where you cannot see what you do to your own self and your child. Right? And when me talk, you hate me. I want to say me wicked and me this and me no love you no. Me love you because I want to see you do the right thing for yourself. Me love you because I want you to be yourself. Me love you because I want you to love your child. You love what me have. You're not upset with it, you know. So have a love for your own pitney where you know so you can secure your child and take care of your child and did it for your child. Answer by me, you know. Right? So when me I say, guys, you see Daniel, I never lived with Daniel before. But to see how Daniel I can see him talk and him come around me, me know say Daniel is a person, is a control freak. Daniel is a narcissist. Daniel is a manipulate me. Hold on, give me a cup of blood clot. He will shoot at you. 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 Yeah, he will shoot at you. The word they just now work with me. I don't know why. But him play mind games. And him control you. You understand what I say? And him broke your theme way. You get me? Right? The way there. Right? Daniel don't love you. And you know say Daniel don't love you because if a man can call him mother and admit to him mother and tell him mother say I'm a theme youth. You understand me? A man disrespect you every day of your life. Disrespect your body parts, everything about you. You understand me? The man don't love you, baby girl. And Daniel knows you're not feeling pitney because Daniel say it all time out, guys. Daniel say it all time mouth. Daniel said it last year. He said it all time mouth. That's why two of them cannot have a connection where she'll look for. The connection where she'll look for, she will never get that connection because that always a go in betweaks. So the baby is a pun. The baby is a pun. A pun on a pun the blood clot baby. You understand me? And I'm in a business when me done. You hate me and you say me a no good mother. No matter who do this to them pitney. No matter who do raid, no matter who do tear. You understand what I say? Even to the time when me come and me tell people say the baby have freckles. When me say the baby have freckles, I trust you, you know. Me trust you, me no decide of you. Me trust you. And me supposed to work with you. You understand? And you tell me about the baby, you tell me say the baby has freckles. As me hear say the baby has freckles, me I go jump at first thing and said, yes, the baby has freckles. Because I believe you. You get me? So you give me all of the little description of the baby and how it look. And me tell people, say the baby have freckles. Right? Because me trust you. Right? But at the end of the day, you just want it to be for that person so bad. That's okay. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that, baby girl. That's okay. Right? Because Odain a good father. One thing you got to talk about Odain, you better take it back. Take it back. You understand me? Because Odain is a good father. Odain would put him on par you. Me, witness, I mean, not care if Odain want vex today. Me witness you. Lick Odain off a piece of hill. The Odain roll off of the hill when you lick the boy off of the hill. Me witness you. Take your hand and lick Odain. And when Odain get the lick, he roll good on the hill. And when Odain get the lick, him stand up and brush off himself and stand him lick. Him never put him hand on you. You understand me? Up to me, I fi go to him and say to him, say, boy, stand up for yourself and be a man. You think I so tough to grow your hormone? I saw me deal with him. Ask anybody, I ask him. When he come amongst me, say, hey boy, no come amongst me them type of way, they like you're some weak type of man. Eh? You think I some wanna grow you? Eh? You can't make nobody I can't do this. So when me see a woman lick you down and roll go down there, so. But because the youth love her. Can you say if that the boy that for rising on the real way and give him 2, not even 2, in kin over. And no found no man out there know the thing too. So you just take couple lick from a woman because you know see a woman and you love a woman. You understand what I say? And if you rise on the real and proper way and give you one blood clot lick and I need, hey, I'll repeat for you out of way, me I tell you no. So rate the youth, rate you and love you. The youth hustle and buy TV give you. You not tell the people them the juicy part. Tell the people them the juicy part where the youth do for you. And that the youth they buy you the first bed. Redans can sleep on the man bumbuckler bed. Redans can sleep on Odain bed. Girl be real no man. When couldn't like be real in life. When if be real. You understand what I say? Daniel can sleep on Odain bed. Daniel can watch Odain TV. Daniel, maybe I'll sit down in the couch where Odain buy you. You understand me? So now this is G them type of way there. If you know say the man plant the seed, give the man where him Joe. You understand what I say? Not do that to the youth. And you know say it not right. Because you go look for your girl, look for better for your brother. You understand what I say? That is another woman pitney. I'm first son. I'm first youth. You understand what I say? Look a girl, man. Yo, you need to wake up, look a girl. Look a girl, wake up. Wake up and look into what you do. You understand? You need to wake up and look into yourself what you do. Because sometimes you will mash up yourself and bring down your own self. Right? I'm going to come on this yo. I come on this to talk to you to make you understand. Say, time for you done. 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 It done. It finish. Anyhow you see, Redan still a Walland Panda baby there, a stitch. May I come? Anyhow you see Redan still a hold on pan the relationship and the baby there, a hostage. Anyhow you continue see Redan hold on pan the baby there. And she's still over there so with Redan with the baby there, Redan still feeding baby. A hostage situation. You understand what I say? Right? Do the right thing for your youth. Do the right thing for your youth and do the right thing for yourself. And I have to explain nothing more to nobody. You used to love the man. The man the whole heap for you. You understand what I say? Right? Say you know say the youth baby, but the youth have him baby.
Yeah, man, he's free there, man.
Him go. Look here, don't stop talking about him coming. If the boy want come, him come. If he don't want come, him stay. Make him stay over there. Right? Me I go bathe my skin and freshen up my body. You understand? Hey, me have teeth in Wi-Fi now, you know. Me have neighbor them Wi-Fi now. Me only can chat while side part of people in house. We not go do it when them come, cause we not go disturb them. So we have Wi-Fi, neighbor Wi-Fi over there. Side that place and chat. Don't you say? See how long me not depend live? Eh? Yeah. You keep on say add him. You see him come, something wrong with you?
See him, no.
Hold on there. Good afternoon. You never did one come.
Me da rank. We did the number
No,
one.
so why you put a rank over here, so?
Alright, rank.
No, me not beg no match, but play a rank. But that come like say you have your food that you need want give me none, but play a rank. So, Odain.
Yeah.
Big woman thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
With the baby.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? No joke. With the baby. To be honest, me not like how I deal with the situation with the baby. You understand? And the reason why I say so to you, Odain, is because I talk to you like you're a person who I can talk to. Am I lying? Right?
No.
I may have a conversation and you talk to me, me listen to what you have to say and such. Me I say, it don't happen already. But if you and Anna don't talk already on a reason on a certain level, I wanna have a look at breakthrough and she says certain things to you. Right? You could deal with the situation, boom, sir, in private. You understand me? And deal with the baby because you know in yourself say you're baby.
You never want to did it in private? A while ago, alright, me I show you. A while ago, me had her this morning. Me and her upon the live. Me and her. Just the two away. And we are reason. Me said to him, say, bro, when me ever disrespect you in your life, beside from yesterday, she said, no time. Me say, bro, look upon what me I show you. Me never disrespect you. When you come and try to disrespect me now, or you expect me to feel, me I go feel fuck up in myself. And I go say, bro, me need to expect that from you. So if you like a red boy back at you, an influence if you come this, me brother, I worst thing I go do. Cause he might make me disrespect you, bro. Cause at the end of the day, I have feelings charged. I hold it, me hold to myself. Me there, me yard and me vent to myself. Me not nobody to vent to. Me vent to myself. Me talk to Anna. Anna, me don't know what me not do. Till all people say me weak to Anna.
Yeah.
So we exactly how me feel, me express. Yeah, both we go about it wrong way. It's a baby. Yeah, it's a baby. That's all my life. Me I cry this morning. Everybody see me about me get emotional when me start talk about it, bro. It's about the baby. It's not about Anna. That is the main reason because so me say. Because she said me disrespect the baby. That she said this morning. Say me disrespect the baby. In what particular way did I disrespect the baby? Me no call the baby name, me no disrespect the baby, me no follow nobody, I'm out no picnic because me not going to do that.
No,
and I know that.
No, you did not disrespect the baby, and I never hear you disrespect the baby. You understand me? You speak. I'm like, oh, right. To be honest, me never like, oh, you're there over real life. Because you know, me love to talk my truth. Me feel like, say, you could have just deal with it on your own because you know the right thing to do. You understand me? And I feel like, say, boy, me sorry, say you need to do it sooner because you know in yourself, say, the baby is yours. You understand me? Right? So where this go from here? Just asking, moving, it's a move on point. And you want the baby to have a future, don't? Where it go from here, knowing that you're a child.
What me want to go for answer?
Yeah.
We want to do the right thing. That me want to go for answer. We want to do the right thing.
And the right thing is?
Give the baby to him belongs to. That should be the right thing. Alright, cause she not fi carry go court. Me and her both know we not fi carry go court. Me not have to
Thank
go.
you.
Me not
Right
have
there,
to
so.
carry.
Right there, so. Woo-wee! Yeah, this, you look here. Me say it over your side now. Say them two people here, them two pitney here, them not fi carry nothing go court because they know exactly. Them know exactly what go on. And audience, look for me when me there Crook City and looking at my face, you know, and tell me lie, you know. I said, Odain, how you feel about the pregnancy? That time me I look for Odain for tell me, say, listen to me, moms, and my belly this, I'm arena, and I go do what me have to do, you know. Because I know say a long time them want you together. A long time. I know say them been trying to, but they not tell me, you know. But me can know to how them been together, stick together. You get me? Right? So the end of the day, now what about me? So the end of the day, Odain, you turn up in my face and tell lie just because you love Anna. Just because you're weak to that woman there and you love Anna, you just... But you see your God work out the Odain? You couldn't hold it no longer. How you that be a man and see your pitney growing at your face? No real man now go watch that.
Can't ever explain that part right now, because I don't want to go back in another state. But
Dream, me bex with you, and me kind of glad, me glad say you do it, not kind of, me glad, me over glad, and me bex with you and tap it because you is a man, and a man for just do what man for do. You understand me? Especially that boy pitney go look up to you to be a father and teach him to be a man. So big man, all of them little things that you have to go put aside. Even for the woman, you have to go put it aside. And when you love a woman, you understand me? You have to go put that aside and put a woman in them place. You understand?
get it, yes, man.
So Odain,
Yeah, man, here.
when me are thinking in my head, you know, me I think so right now you step up to the plate. And me see you step up. And me see you do your thing. And you come out. Me know say the media because we live for the media, but when me I say you can just tone it down with OJ because remember say I go basic school, you know. Remember say Earl a fee, you know. Right? And him name OT already, wicked, viral. You understand? Right? So me know say you want him have a future, the future they don't. Right? So what me expect from right here, so Odain, is for you just step up and make moms bring your youth come to you now when you start take care of your baby. That me I think.
Have a point, yeah. You have a point. You have a point.
Let me hear
Ah,
your
of course.
suggestion, please.
Huh?
Let me hear
you
your
have a-
suggestion.
I said you have a point. You have a point.
Yeah, and I'm asking you, I want to hear yours also.
My suggestion, BS half
Yes.
day and come in. If she
Yes.
willing, well, once she willing, I'm here. I'm always here. I baby me concerned about still. Yeah, but me always here.
So suppose you're not willing.
Then we have to just go the other way. I simple.
Alright.
Let us give it easier way now. So if you make up your mind, you do what you have to do. But I just a baby. I just a baby. Be honest with you. No disrespecting. I just a baby. Yeah. My concern I don't know what else.
Just the baby. So join to this ranking and ranking and so forth. The baby now go come back up again in the media upon this topic because now everything is in the open and you go just deal with it privately and making sure you have your child.
Yeah. I never really come by here to talk about the baby. I just come by here to clear some things. Because I never really want to talk about the baby either. Because I don't get emotional. I just come by here to talk. You know? Yeah. It's my side.
Yeah. Well, that's it. God always make everything happen for a reason. It just have to happen. It was bound to happen. You understand me? Next week, the other week, next month, but it was just bound to happen. May I tell you, you know it too. Right? So that's what you said, the ranking, you're in your ranking, you look at ranking and thing, you understand me, right? But just deal with your youth off the media, You understand me? And started to bond with your child. You understand me? Talk to her in person on her phone. The Yanar can communicate about the youth and how now go make this thing work out. You understand? Me no see baby yet, you know, Odain. I don't see the baby, you know. It's a thing when me I tell you, say, you know, me feel a way about it. I know me know me not go see him. Me know me not go see him now. You understand? Right? But me I tell you, say, every child have a right to have a father in them life. You understand? Right? Every child deserves to have them father. All right? Yeah. Yeah, guys, you know, turn off the comment section. Can't turn on your last match. Me just make it run that one here. We're gone. I'm just glad we get to talk to him. We're glad we get to talk to him.
Alright. Same thing, man. But I know that I show me the wrong still. I don't know disrespecting. I show me the ones under 1-6. I would have to complete it first. Come I could have jumped
Yeah, man,
if
just
match.
play your match and go complete back what you have to do. You understand? As when me say, just to keep it in my 5 media. Just say, baby, me no business if you want cuss about she. Me no business where you want she, but we sit with what you calling out, just load that and deal with the baby privately. You understand? Right? I'm happy about it. Me no business. Who want Bex and who want Boss, me happy about it. So you really put gain some balls. Because maybe you never did have no balls. So you gain some balls. And come out and come talk for your youth. You understand? Right? Any juice you did not drink, go back go drink some more of that juice and come back. Yeah. It not go on good. We like it. Yeah, guys. Double tap your scream, guys. Double tap your scream.
Power tap by side. Power tap.
Power tap, guys. Thank you, baby. Enough love. Enough love. Guys, big up to everyone who put gift. Guys, big up to everyone who support the live also. Thank you. Right? Oh, yeah, you know something over here, so you know a YouTube me there. Right, I want video if I go drop on my channel. You understand me? A YouTube and my thing. You understand me? Right? And yesterday when she said to me, say, Mummy, me fi contact. Because I never did go say nothing at all. I never did go say no because I get too much bashing and lashing and when I talk, I always see how it come out to be. You see me? And she showed me yesterday. She said, Mummy, do what you have to do. Come out contact. Me say, you sure? She said, yes. Me say, you know my mouth and I'm going to speak my mind. You get me? Right? But me never like what you do. Me not lie to you. I cuss out your backside and I look at dirty girl. Because I not like that girl over so we are deal with. So I cuss and say, you never did have to do that. You understand me? I think you could have do it a different way. You get what me I say? Right? And me make my video as well. She said, me fi drop my video and rate it. You understand me? I say, me speak my mind about the whole situation. And when you come out and talk the truth now and say, boom. I say, all right then, see it there. Right there, so. I done it done right there, so everything done. Done it done. Done. Done it done. Done done. Mm-hmm.
Alright, but we link, yeah?
Yeah, man, enough love, man.
Alright, big up.
Yeah, go jump off.
Alright.
Yeah, guys. So, guys, this one you see we have it. My phone dead 6%. You know, see we have it. You know, hear what I'm saying? You're not supposed to do no match. You're not supposed to do no way. I talk about the baby. You're supposed to deal with him baby. You understand? What's your YouTube? My YouTube is Annie04. Annie04. No, Annie04.
Life with Annie.
Oh, Life with Annie. Life with Annie. As you
type in Annie.
just put in Annie and you see fly up so. Life with Annie. Big up yourself, baby. Enough love, of course. God bless, baby. Right? So we're not supposed to hear nothing at all about no baby. Life with Annie, baby. About no baby, not about OJ, no nothing at all. Him rank him, do him ranking and him take care of him, baby. Alright? That's the whole thing.
I love you, mama.
Right? Love you, baby. Enough love. Enough love.